super excited for Bambi because we're taking her to the beach for the first time. She's never been to the beach and she's already 1 year old. Right, baby? And I'm just so excited to see her reaction to the sand and to the beach and the water. She's gonna love it so much, right, baby? She doesn't even know. So Bambi and I are on our way to go pick up Steven. It is 89 degrees Fahrenheit and we're about to be in November. So Miami, get your shit together. So I just got to Steven's house. So we're waiting for him because like, where is he? I'm like feeling a little bit dead. Yeah, I am because I went to bed at like 4 a.m. I need my coffee. Like, I don't want to be one of those people like, oh my god, I need my coffee or I can't function. But seriously, I need my coffee to you know, just feel good again. I need that. Unpopular opinion, Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee is better than Starbucks iced coffee. Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, that's where it's at. Especially the maple pecan one. I haven't actually been to the beach in so long and I kind of like it during this time of the year because yeah, it's still hot. Like, we're in Miami. Oh look, now it changed to 91 degrees. It's still hot, you feel me? But it's not like burning your skin off hot. So our little tradition is we eat like Lunchables when we go there. We love the pizza Lunchables. Those are our favorite. And he loves the nacho one. Oh, there he is. There he is. Wow. Look at that. Oh, sorry. You excited for the beach?
Yeah, man.
Bambi's first time at a beach. Bambi's first time in the beach. Bambi, Bambi, at the beach, at the beach. Bambi going to the beach. We are going to the beach. Beach, beach banana. Beach, beach banana. Beach, beach banana. Banana, banana, beach. And a boom. She's really excited right now. We just got here and we're in like the little park area before getting into the beach, and I think we're just gonna have our Lunchables here before we get to, I mean, I told them that's our tradition. Oh, boom, look. Good girl. Good girl. You like it, Boom? Okay, you're gonna have to learn to relax or you can never come back with us.
Oh, here we go.
Should we give her water?
Yeah.
Alright, let's eat a Lunchable.
Alright, do it. Open one up.
Alright. Baby. No.
No. No.
So this is our little tradition.
There you go.
Be a good girl, Boom. And we
go.
have a treat right there. Right there.
Right under her paw.
Here it is.
Mine, nobody touched.
Bone up the tit. Boom, you're making such a big mess on... There you go. So we use the empty Lunchable to give her water. Yeah. But she doesn't want her treat. She wants human food. Good girl. Oh, she's eating the cheese. You like it? Let me see your nose. Let me see your nose. Boom! Let me see the baby. You guys, she's trying to eat the sand. Oh, what a good girl. Come on, go over there. Go get water. We're here at the beach and we're finally relaxed after Bambi had like a couple of episodes. But this is what I'm wearing. It's one of my bikinis from my Lagoa swimwear try-on haul. So if you want to see that, there's a video on it. But yeah, I'm wearing that and this little denim jacket because it's fall, so it's like so chilly. Oh, the jacket's from Simply Be.
Oh, nice.
They sent it to me.
There you go. Now you know. If you wanted to know, now you know.
Now you know.
You know anyway.
And here's Boom. Hi, Bye.
Very intrigued right now.
She continues to eat the sand even though she knows it doesn't taste good and it makes her gag.
I think she's trying to figure out how to chase birds.
Yeah, she's like so into the birds right now, so they're so cute. I love my baby. I'm so happy for her.
Like, she can't jump that high.
She needs to learn more about the world, you know? She's sheltered right now.
Yeah, she lives in a bubble. It's embarrassing.
Let me see your yucky mouth. Let me see your yucky mouth.
Look at all the sand there.
Boom. That's a bad girl. Why are you eating that? Give me a like if you think that Bambi's cute.
I mean, everyone has to like.
I better get like 1 million likes because
She's adorable.
she's adorable.
Adorable.
There's little friends over there.
Our big friend.
Look. Wow, 2 beautiful black German Shepherds.
They're actually really cute.
They're so cute. We're letting her smell the sand.
She likes to just lay in it. ATV gang?
They don't care.
Yeah, they don't care. Everyone has dogs here, man.
Yeah, we have seen
We saw the black German Shepherds.
a couple dogs.
And we saw like 3 other ones.
So you guys want to see the full outfit?
Yeah, let's see it. Serve us some looks. And they all kill. Oof. Oof. Do one of these. No, but like open. Oof. Ooh, what you selling under there? Oof. Knives? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I got whatever you need.
But we need to go like there where there's
Oh, he
nobody.
wanted to say hi too. Oh. Oh, she's scared.
Why you crying, baby? Those are her closing thoughts. Sit. Good girl.
Oh, look at that.
So closing thoughts for me is that we need to bring
Make
back. Sit. Good girl.
Look how trained she is.
She is just perfection. So closing thoughts is that Bambi gets really excited when she sees people, when she sees dogs, when she sees sand,
Birds.
when she sees birds,
What else?
when she sees leaves moving in the wind,
Yep.
when she sees a stick in the sand. And we need to start bringing her to the beach more so she can get more used to it, because she really excited, and I know she's having a good time. I know she had a good time, but she got to try a lot of new things. If you guys saw, she just jumped right in without even thinking about it and up to her neck in the water. So that's my girl.
Instant regret.
That's my little adventurer right there.
Yeah.
Mama's girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please let me know. Let me know what you think about Bambi, and I'll see you guys next time.